In today's class, we will be learning the topic, credit. This is a credit arrangement whereby the seller allows the buyer to take possession of goods on hire basis after making an initial deposit to be followed by a number of specified regular installments at the end of which he becomes the owner of the goods involved. Even though the buyer, the hirer, obtains immediate possession of the goods by paying the initial deposit demanded by the seller, the goods will continue to be on hire and the buyer does not become the owner until he has paid the final installments. The hire purchase agreement may be financed under any of the following arrangements. Private arrangement, by the buyer, hirer, himself. The agreement is only between the seller and the buyer. Multilateral arrangement, here the agreement is between the seller, a finance company, the buyer, hirer, and the guarantor of the buyer. Advantages of hire purchase to the seller. It enables the seller to dispose off expensive durable goods quickly. The seller increases his selling price. Disadvantages of hire purchase to the seller. It ties down a lot of the seller's capital. The seller may find it difficult to resell repossessed goods. Advantages of hire purchase to the buyer. He enjoys the use of the goods before he has paid for them. He is encouraged to save in order to pay the installments. Disadvantages of hire purchase to the buyer. The buyer may lose the goods and all the installments of the goods. The buyer cannot sell or transfer the goods until he has paid fully for it. Mortgages. This is a special type of credit system whereby a mortgage bank, building society, savings and loans company gives a loan to an individual or business for the purpose of building a house or purchasing a piece of land. Mortgages are repaid installmentally and are usually long time in nature. Leases/rentals. Under lease arrangement, a party is allowed to make use of an item while making regular payments to the owner. Loan and overdraft. Loans may be obtained from banks or finance houses to set up new business or expand existing ones. The bank will charge interest on loans and overdrafts granted to their customers. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.